Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Khan English.
We are very happy to see you again. Today, we are going to talk about something extremely important for every learner.
Why are short study sessions often better than very long study sessions?
Many students believe that studying for many hours automatically means better learning.
They think, if I study for 5 or 6 hours today, I will improve very fast.
But the human brain usually does not work that way.
In fact, sometimes very long study sessions can actually reduce learning quality.
So today, we will explain how the brain learns best and why small daily practice is so powerful.
Imagine it is Saturday morning.
You wake up feeling motivated and excited.
You tell yourself, today I will study English for 5 full hours.
You prepare everything perfectly.
Your notebook is ready.
Your headphones are ready.
Maybe you even make tea or coffee first.
At the beginning, everything feels easy and comfortable.
You start reading English sentences carefully.
You listen to a podcast.
Maybe you repeat some vocabulary words aloud.
During the first 30 minutes, your focus feels strong.
After 1 hour, you still feel okay.
But slowly, your brain starts losing energy.
Your attention becomes weaker and weaker.
You continue studying, but now your mind is not fully present anymore.
Your eyes are reading the page,
But your brain is thinking about food, sleep, or your phone.
Sometimes you read the same sentence 3 times and still do not remember it.
This happens to almost everyone.
Then you start checking social media for just 1 minute.
But suddenly, 15 minutes disappear.
After returning to study, your focus becomes even weaker.
And this is something very important to understand.
Studying and learning are not always the same thing.
Many people study for long hours without truly learning much.
This creates fake progress.
You feel productive because you spent many hours at the desk.
But later you realize most information disappeared quickly. The brain learns best when it feels calm, relaxed, and focused.
Long sessions slowly remove that focus.
The brain becomes tired, overloaded, and distracted. Now let's talk about short study sessions.
A short session can be only 10 or 15 minutes.
Some people hear that and say, only 15 minutes? That cannot help.
But actually, short sessions are extremely powerful when done consistently.
When the brain knows the session is short, it feels less pressure.
Your mind becomes more relaxed.
Because of this, concentration often becomes much stronger.
During 15 focused minutes, you may learn more than during 1 distracted hour.
Short sessions also feel easier to start.
And starting is often the hardest part of studying.
Sometimes people avoid studying because they imagine a huge, difficult session.
But saying, I will study only 10 minutes feels much easier.
Then, after starting, many learners naturally continue a little longer anyway. Another important benefit is confidence. Small, successful sessions help your brain believe, I can do this every day.
This creates consistency.
And consistency is more important than motivation.
Motivation changes all the time.
Some days, you feel excited.
Other days, you feel lazy or tired.
But habits stay strong much longer than emotions. Let's compare 2 learners. The first learner studies English for 3 hours once every week.
The second learner studies for only 15 minutes every single day.
Which learner usually improves faster?
Most of the time, the daily learner improves more.
Why?
Because repetition strengthens memory.
Regular exposure helps the brain keep information longer.
Language learning especially needs daily contact.
Even small daily practice keeps English active inside your mind.
Imagine watering a plant.
Giving a little water every day helps the plant grow healthy.
But giving a huge amount of water only once a week is not as effective.
Learning works in a very similar way.
Another important thing is focus.
During short sessions, focus on only one activity.
Maybe listening practice?
Maybe reading practice,
Maybe shadowing or repeating sentences aloud.
but avoid multitasking.
Do not study while scrolling social media.
Deep learning happens when attention stays in one place.
Small, focused practice creates real improvement over time.
Here is another powerful lesson.
Stop studying while you still feel fresh.
Most learners stop only after becoming completely exhausted.
But stopping earlier creates positive feelings about studying.
Then your brain connects learning with comfort instead of stress.
This makes tomorrow's session feel easier to start.
Slowly, a strong daily habit begins to grow.
And small habits can completely change your future.
Imagine improving only 1% every day.
At first, the progress looks very small.
But after months, the difference becomes huge.
This is how real language improvement usually happens,
Not through one giant study session.
but through many small, consistent sessions over time.
So remember this clearly.
You do not need endless study hours.
You need smart and sustainable study habits.
Even 10 focused minutes every day can slowly transform your English.
Keep your sessions simple,
Keep them focused,
keep them consistent.
and most importantly, enjoy the learning process.
Thank you so much for listening to Mr. Khan English.
We hope this lesson helps you study smarter and feel more confident.
Keep practicing every single day.
Keep believing in yourself.
And remember, small steps still move you forward. See you in the next lesson.
Take care, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye.